everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to make it quick, and to the point. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, my name is John, and I like savings, discount, promotions, all kind of stuff, and I'm to technology, automobile, all kinds of stuff, fishing, so all the stuff. So if you like savings and you like technology, cell phone or other stuff, you come to the right place. Okay, and I usually bring deals quite often. Whenever I see a great deal, I'll post it so that way everybody can take advantage of it. And sometimes with the special deals, that they get out of stocks pretty quick. So make sure you follow the channel, make sure you have to subscribe, make sure you hit the bell notification, and if the video save you any money, make sure you give it a like. Okay, and today I'm going to go straight to two deals that I think that we should take a look at. I myself, as a matter of fact, I just bought this one right here. This is a Hoover Wind Tunnel XL PET bagless upright vacuum. So I have the Hoover, the older model, and I really like, but it's right now it's dead. So this is a perfect time. Regular price for this is $89, and now you can get it for $48. And just looking at the review, it says 4.4 out of 5. So I think that's a pretty good deal. Let's see. Let's see if there are any pictures. We can go deeper. So, and it's free shipping, as a matter of fact. So after taxes and everything, it came out to be $52 for me. And they gave me an option if I want to pick it up at my local Walmart, and I just said, you know what, just ship it over to my house. So here it's a little bit more info about the vacuum itself. So let's say here, we aim to show you accurate product information, manufacturer, suppliers, and other stuff. Okay, disclaimer. Go above and beyond the whole house cleaning with the Hoover Wind Tunnel XL PET vacuum. Power through your pet hair and mask with special tools for pet hair removal. This is all the technology: dusting brush, crevice tool, extension wand, all that goody stuff. Let's see how long is the warranty for this one. Hopefully it's a year. Does it say anywhere how long the warranty is? Well, I don't see anywhere that where it says the warranty, but I'm thinking about a year. Then I also pay with my CD credit card, and if you follow my channel before, with the CD card, you're gonna get an additional year as long as there's a manufacturer's warranty for 1 year. If you paid with CD card, you get additionally, so you get 2 years right there. Okay, so off the back for $48, shipping right to your door, I think that's a bargain right there. So, well, let's see what are some of the things that customers are saying. So this one, bought this on Black Friday for $60. I was curious how it would do compared to my Dyson's DC-17 animal vacuum. I was quite surprised after doing a thorough job with my Dyson. That was just a brief overview with the Hoover Wind Tunnel, collected as much as it did. Okay, this is a 5 out of stars. This one here is a negative one. This was a great vacuum until one day it wouldn't suck anything up. Said it was stop up, but I would clean the hose and everything out by taking it apart, and it would not clean the way it was supposed to. Luckily I had warranty and they sent me a new one. Was the name kind, but it works great. Okay, so for the most part, $48 and you get 5 out of 5. So I bought it in a heartbeat. I'm probably gonna do an unboxing and a review right after, as soon as I get them. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Okay, guys, I'm gonna list everything in the description, so that's for you to make it easy for you. The next one that we have today, it's RIDGID. As you know, I'm a RIDGID fan. Okay, I bought a lot of RIDGID, but so many that I don't want to buy anymore. But for this one right here, it's a 18-volt brushless cordless 4-tool combo kit. It will come with a 2-amp battery and a 4-amp battery, charger, and a bag. So anytime when they come in a kit like this, it qualifies for LSA. Basically, what is LSA? It's a lifetime service agreement, meaning anything's wrong with the tool, the battery, all you gotta do is just return it to Home Depot, and they'll give you a replacement. Okay, I think RIDGID is the only one that is doing this, okay, and that's why I'm that's why I like RIDGID. And so far, like I said, all my tools for RIDGID, they're new, so I haven't had the chance to experience or go through the replacement or the LSA's process. But just remember, you have 90 days to register your products. Make sure you have all the serial number, the invoice where you bought it from, and make sure it's an authorized place. Okay, so don't buy secondhand off someone's, with no receipt and expect it. If you don't register within the 90 days, you will get a warranty of 3 years. Okay, so still not bad. 3 years is a pretty long time, but if you, like me, want a saving and want to, use the same tool, and want to get a free replacement, make sure you register. Okay, and this price here, regular price is $299. Right now it's $279. You're like, wow, that's not much of a saving. Well, here is the saving. So I click on here, and it gives you the option to pick a free tool, which is excellent. So depending on your needs, I don't know what you need. Maybe you need a vacuum, a fan, or a light, or radio. But if I were you, I would go something that's really expensive. So this right here, the RIDGID, the 9-volt right here, this one alone itself, if right now if you look on Craigslist or OfferUp or like stuff like that, you can easily sell it for at least $80-90 off the bat. Okay, so but the other option that I want is this one right here. This is the RIDGID right here. This is the OCTANE. This is the latest version. This one, it will take off any lug nuts you have. Okay, no joke. I did a demo with my 2005 Acura RL. It's a piece. It's like butter. Okay, so if it's me, I would pick this one, or if depending on your needs, you might go with the the cordless angle grinder, or this one here, the jigsaw, or the battery. But I would usually go with the highest price. Okay, so this is a no-brainer. This one right here. So if you add them all together, it's gonna come out to be $279, and you get that. Okay, so let's see, at both. Okay, and it tells you right here. So there you go. So it gives you a breakdown. So I think what Home Depot, what they do is they give you a breakdown of the tool. So just in case if you were to return one of this, then you would, this is how much you would pay for the set. So I could be wrong, but I think that's why they list it the way it is. So if you were to return the RIDGID OCTANE Cordless Brushless, then you would end up paying, they would give you back a credit of $109. So that is their special deal. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, let's see if did I miss anything at all. Brushless and 2 batteries, free parts for life, LSA, and that's pretty much it. You can pick. That's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Other than that, it's what it is. Today's Wednesday, so have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next promotions. Take care.